In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain in Wix. Whether you're starting a new business or creating a personal website, securing your domain name is a crucial first step. Let's dive right in and go through this process together. To begin, open your web browser and head over to wix.com. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so using your account credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see various options. Direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side and locate the Settings tab. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you'll see a search bar. Simply type domain into the search bar, and you'll find options related to domains appearing. Click on Domains to enter the Domain Management section. This is where you will handle all the activities related to your website's domain. Next, you'll find a section where you can enter the domain name you wish to purchase. Be sure to consider a name that represents your brand or personal identity well. Enter your desired name, and Wix will check its availability. Once you type it in, click the Let's Go button to proceed with the search. If your chosen domain is available, they'll see an option to Get It. Click this button to reserve your domain. If your desired domain is not available, Wix will suggest alternatives. Make sure to choose a name that's easy to remember and relevant to your website's purpose. After clicking Get It, you'll be directed to a page that offers different purchasing options. For today's purpose, select Buy Domain Only. This option allows you to purchase the domain without bundling it with other plans or features. Once you've made the selection, go ahead and click on Continue. Now comes the step where you choose your registration period. You can typically choose from a 1, 2, or 3-year registration. Decide on the duration that best suits your needs. Consider purchasing for longer periods if you'd like a bit of savings and the assurance that your domain remains yours for an extended time. Once you've made your choice, click Continue. The next section involves providing your contact information. This is standard practice and a necessary step to register your domain officially. Be sure to fill out the contact form with accurate details to avoid any issues with your registration. With your information filled out, hit Continue again. Finally, you'll arrive at the checkout process. Review your order to ensure all the details are correct. Once confirmed, proceed to the checkout by clicking Continue. Follow any further instructions to complete your purchase, and you'll be all set. With your domain now successfully purchased in Wix, you're ready to start building your website and showcasing it to the world. Thank you for watching, and happy domain hunting.